Hello everyone, welcome to Onto Classroom. Today I'm going to teach you about balancing of chemical equations. I know we are very scared of it. Even I was when I was a kid, when I was of your age. But it's all about a very simple tactic. You just need to remember law of conservation of mass. That is, mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only be transferred from one state to another. Keeping this in mind, we will proceed. Now remember, you're just transferring the atoms. You may find new compounds being formed, but that does not mean that the atoms are not transferred. One atom can transfer from here to there and form a new compound. But remember the crust, it is law of conservation of mass. To understand this, let's take a very common example, that is rusting of iron. Fe plus H2O, iron when reacts with water forms iron oxide, Fe3O4 plus hydrogen gas. This iron oxide is what you see when rust is formed, right? Okay, now here you can see a new compound is formed, a new gas is formed. But all the elements, they remain the same. You find iron here, you find iron here. You find hydrogen here, you find hydrogen here. You find oxygen here, you find oxygen here. Got it? Okay. Now what we need to do is, now we need to make sure that whatever is in the LHS is present in the RHS. That means the number of atoms which are present in LHS are also present in RHS. So let's find out. So this is your LHS, left hand side, and this is your RHS, right hand side. Make a table. It's a very good practice to make a table to keep a check. This is LHS, this is RHS, and what are the elements? Iron, hydrogen, oxygen. Let's see how many atoms are there in each. Now in LHS side, iron has 1 atom, whereas in RHS side, it is 3 atoms. Okay, we'll see how to balance it out. Hydrogen, we have 2 atoms here. Hydrogen, we have 2 atoms here. Oxygen, we have 1 atom here. Oxygen, we have 4 atoms here. So which one is very simple? Which one do you think you can balance out first? Yes? Right, I'll just give you a minute to think. You are correct. It is iron. Iron is very easy to balance. You see, here you have Fe3, here is Fe. What you need to do is you just need to multiply the LHS with 3. Then you get 3 atoms. So now here it is 3. Now coming to oxygen. Now next let's balance oxygen, because if you balance hydrogen first, then again you might have to balance oxygen here. So let's balance oxygen here and then we'll go to hydrogen. Okay. So in oxygen you find, in RHS side you have 4. In LHS side, you have 1 atom. Same example, same principle, multiply it with 4. Then you get 4 atoms of oxygen. 4 atoms of oxygen. Now you find that in LHS, you have 8 atoms of hydrogen, whereas in RHS, you have 2 atoms of hydrogen. So what do? You're right. You have to multiply the RHS side with 4. So LHS, you already have 4. RHS, you multiply it with 4. Then you get 8 atoms each. Now you find your equation is completely balanced and error-proof. Always make sure that you check this table. This table is very, very important. So what you need to do is, when you check this table, you realize that all the atoms are matching 3, 3, 8, 8, 4, 4. Now your balancing is complete. Now you can be sure that you're going to get full marks in this. Okay? So happy learning and let's continue studying. Bye.